To fix a Frigidaire freezer not freezing but the fridge is cold. Start by checking the temperature settings. Ensure the freezer temperature is set between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit and the fridge temperature is set between 37 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If the settings are correct, proceed to the next step. Check the freezer door seal for any signs of damage or wear. A damaged door seal can cause cold air to escape, preventing the freezer from maintaining the proper temperature. Inspect the seal for any cracks or gaps and replace it if necessary. Next, verify that the freezer is not overloaded. Overloading the freezer can reduce air circulation, causing the freezer to not freeze properly. Remove any unnecessary items from the freezer to ensure proper air circulation. Check the evaporator fan for any blockages or damage. The evaporator fan is responsible for circulating cold air throughout the freezer. If the fan is blocked or damaged, the freezer will not freeze properly. Remove any blockages and replace the fan if necessary. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, check the defrost timer. The defrost timer controls the defrost cycle, which can cause the freezer to not freeze if it is stuck in the defrost mode. Locate the defrost timer and advance it to the next cycle. Finally, check the compressor and condenser coils. The compressor and condenser coils are responsible for cooling the refrigerant, which cools the freezer. If the coils are dirty or damaged, the freezer will not freeze properly. Clean or replace the coils as necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Frigidaire freezer not freezing but the fridge is cold. Remember to always unplug the appliance before performing any repairs and to consult a professional if you are unsure about any step of the process. Regular maintenance and troubleshooting can help extend the life of your appliance and prevent future issues.